You might be wondering why I'm putting purple glue stick on my recently washed build plate. Stick around to find out. No, not again! Has this ever happened to you where you get mostly through a print and it unsticks from the build plate and doesn't finish the print? Me too. My friend recommended using this Elmer's glue to amplify the adhesion to the build plate so that I can avoid the prints coming off. I do want to point out I did wash my build plate with dish soap and water as usual, and this particular print still gave me a challenge. So let's give this Elmer's glue a shot. It was recommended that I snag this Elmer's washable glue stick because some say this will help with the adhesion. I've been trying to print this DJI mic holder, but every time I get near the end, it pops off the build plate and never finishes. So the goal is to get better adhesion so that I can print this to completion. Let's get the print going. I am very happy to report that the Elmer's glue worked exactly the way I needed it to. We got a full print. You can see the Elmer's glue right there. And in theory now we can just wash that off and be back to the starting point. Pop it off. Looking great. Oh, and by the way, I am not sponsored by Elmer or DJI or anybody for that matter. There you have it. That is the new microphone holder. The thing I love about this is it has the 1/4-inch screw threads. You can incorporate it right away to your video equipment. I will be keeping this glue stick very close to my 3D printing tools because it has already proven its usefulness. After the successful print with the glue stick, I went ahead and gave my build plate a hand wash with sponge and dish soap. As you can see, there are no remnants of the glue on here. So it did its job, and it's a great, easy to implement, easy to source solution. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more.